these are my slimes. This one is going to be pink. This one is going to be orange. So I'm gonna first begin with this pink one. I'm gonna put the orange one in that bowl. And I have my clay over here. I'm gonna be adding this slime to my clay. I want this slime to be like pink. I hope it turns into pink color. I don't know what color, like it's like light pink, but the color isn't really good. But I like the color. The color looks pretty to me. It has a really nice texture, which I love it a lot. It's like light pink. I love the color. It's like really pretty light pinky. I love this slime a lot. So this slime is now mixed. We are gonna add now orange clay into the other slime. Guys, here is my another slime. Now let's begin adding the orange clay in it. I hope it turned into like a really nice orange or bright. Oh, I don't know if it is gonna turn orange. If it doesn't turn into orange, it is gonna be a really bad color like brown. Oh, it's like not bad. Oh, I love this color actually. It's not like orange, but like coffee or like chocolate. I love the color a lot. And it's a butter slime first of all, and really nice texture. And I'm gonna make a swirl with it. That's a little ice cream.